Cool things about paint protection film or PPF is that you see all these holograms and swirls. A lot of people ask us, do you paint correct the car and polish the car before you install PPF? Well, the answer to that is no, and I'm going to tell you why. All of these are going to be filled in by the PPF, and it's going to look like a perfect gloss black. Now, some people might want to say, well, why don't you paint correct the car so that the paint underneath is perfect? Well, the answer to that is also when you remove film and when you prep the surface to install the film, you're going to get swirls in the paint anyways. So I can make this the most perfect paint on earth, but if this film ever gets removed, it's going to swirl and scuff up the paint during removal. So there's no reason at all to polish a vehicle prior to installing PPF unless it has an existing ceramic coating that you need to remove on it to get that off with a machine. Otherwise, there's no good point to thinning out the clear coat on this car just to have the paint perfect before we install.